Yeah, so the final result is so I got the gun out. This is the UV light that is supposed to cure it, and here's the glue part. So the instruction is pretty simple. It says basically to clean the surface and then apply the glue, but then the glue doesn't harden like a crazy glue or the super glue. It needs the UV light to harden, and then you shape it or whatever, right? So here we go. Let's go try it. So I'm gonna start by putting the glasses right here. And I'm gonna have an extra invisible hand. So don't get scared. I'm not a three-handed monster. How do you use it? Does it just come out? I cleaned it already. Oh, you're supposed to squeeze it. There you go. I can see the glue. All right, so since it doesn't cure, I'm gonna cap it back. And then now, I'm gonna put it together. And then, wait. Okay. Don't look at it, I suppose. You can look at it, but I'm not supposed to look at it because it's UV light. Put it closer. Try to go around it. I'm not supposed to look at it. But I think I can look at it because isn't it the same thing as isn't this the same thing as the stuff they put in the fish tanks for the... Okay, turn it off now. Let's go do the top part. See? I don't know how long it takes. I'm just going to keep going around. It seems to be holding, but I don't want to bend it. Is it some smoke coming out or something? I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. And am I supposed to be looking at it? Okay. Here comes the moment of truth. I'm actually flexing the lenses, the cover. Holy cow, it's actually holding. Let me touch it with a blade. Oh no, it's solid. Oh. I fixed my glasses. I'm kind of shocked. It doesn't work. Piece of junk. It just broke when I tried to wear it. Oh well. It did say may not work on polyethylene or polypropylene plastic. So it doesn't work on this pair. Let's try another pair. Got one more pair. So this one, same thing. This one broke on this edge. So right here. So it'll be the same thing. I'm gonna hold it. So I'm gonna glue it again. Okay. I'm gonna close it. And then we'll see what happened to this one. Okay. I have a feeling it's not gonna work. Let me try the bottom. Oh! Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, I don't know, man. Am I supposed to make it cure longer? I mean, I have no clue. I'm gonna try one more time. And I waited like 3 weeks to get this. Apparently it was sold out. Supposed to have good reviews, but maybe I just don't have plastic glasses. I don't know how close you're supposed to put it. And not how long either. Let me see if the instruction says you're supposed to put it maybe like 10 hours, something like that. I don't know. The instruction just says cure. It didn't say how long. It just says cures in second to make a strong lasting bond. Well, I don't know about that. Let's see. Dude, it's no. Yeah, that's 2 out of 2 failed here, man. Yeah, I want to try one more time with this pair. I think it's done. The last time. If this time it doesn't work, then I guess we're returning this junk because it doesn't work. So glue. And then I'm gonna cover this back. And then we're gonna start the infrared thingy, I mean the UV thing again. Yeah, as close as possible this time. Well, this is more than seconds. I suppose it did stick better than the crazy glue or super glue, but it's still not the kind of bond that you're looking for. I mean, I don't think this is gonna work. So, okay, all right. So I don't know what we're gonna do because it should be cured already, but at the same time, it doesn't look like it's being cured. I'm gonna turn it over again. If I don't move it, it's okay, it works. But if I move it or flex it, it doesn't work. So see, it is cured. I mean, it is hard to the touch. See, but there's so much tension there that, yeah, see, I bet you if I move it, it's gonna crack again. There, it just broke. Yeah, so the final result is this right here ain't gonna work. That just ain't gonna work. This is your own